Ako, banana ako. Ay, no.
Hindi makikinom na ako. Ano daw ako sa madami.
And one guava and ano? Apple. Ah, ay, hindi.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Guava and pineapple, yes.
Pineapple white.
Pineapple white.
Hindi, pineapple.
So for breakfast, Rome is having sweet potatoes, of course. She's sharing with everyone else. For some reason, the sweet potatoes in other countries are really, really sweet. So that's why they're buying. I don't usually eat them, but here I am trying them. And surprisingly, they're good. So, yeah. And see? I really loved it. Pero yun na yun. So here is my sister after the end time na magbalat siya, ngayon pa lang niya matitikman. And sa makikita niyo naman
bigyan mo
super
siya, Daddy.
yellow. And ang sarap talaga.
Sarap ba? Wow. Kasi hindi na binabalatan niya. Kinakain pati balat niya eh.
Okay, go.
O, yan o.
Ba't binabalatan mo akong gano'n?
Delicious.
Sarap.
Delicioso.